Another common example in which we use this type of calculation is to determine how many bags of fluids are going to be needed for a 24-hour fill. So continuing with the previous example, in which we had a 1 liter bag of D5W, which is running at 100 milliliters per hour, the question asks us how many 1,000 milliliter bags will be needed for 24 hours. Again, we already realize that 1,000 milliliters and 1 liter are the same thing. So we've already determined that our 1,000 milliliters running at 100 milliliters per hour are going to take 10 hours to infuse. So this is easily determined by taking this calculation, the 10-hour calculation that the bag is going to last, and take the total time period of the fill, which is 24 hours, and we're going to divide that number by how long a bag is going to last. So therefore, we're going to take 24 divided by 10, and we will determine that our answer is 2.4. Now, this time we need to round our answer up to the next whole number. Therefore, 3 bags are going to be needed for a 24-hour fill, because we cannot give a partial bag to be filled. Okay, so we always have to round up to that next full bag. Again, there are a couple of examples, so you may want to pause here and work those, and then I'll show you how to work the 2 examples. We have a 1 liter bag of D5W with 30 milliequivalents of potassium chloride to be run at 75 milliliters per hour. Okay, so we take our 1,000 milliliters and we divide by our 75 milliliters per hour. To determine that this bag should last 13.3 hours. We're doing a 24-hour fill, so we take our total of 24 hours and divide that by the amount of time that this one bag will last. And so then we determine that it's going to take about 1.8 bags. Again, rounding up to the nearest whole number, because we cannot give 0.8 of a bag. And in our other example, we have 500 milliliters of lactated ringers to be run at 125 milliliters per hour. So taking the 500 divided by 125, we know that this bag is going to last for 4 hours. If we're doing a 24-hour fill, dividing that by the 4 hours that the bag will last, we're going to determine that we need 6 bags.